Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the keyframe button in CapCut for a PC. Alright, so select your element to the right and you can find the keyframe button. Just click on the clip and you can see for the position and size. Here's the keyframe button. You can click add to make the zoom in and zoom out. So for example, select for the first frame and you can swipe to the right and you can resize like so. So the keyframe button add the automatic, and you can swipe to right again and can resize for the clip like so. Alright, so on until finish the video, the clip. So this is the final you have on your video with the keyframe button. Yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.